Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your heating problem in your Mi Note 14 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. Friends, first you have to go to settings. Now just turn off the automatically update. So this will not use much more battery and not heat your smartphone. You have to click on about phone, click on updates. Now just click on 3 button, click on more, and you will see here it is the settings. If it is enabled, you can see download automatically or download using mobile data. If it is enabled or download automatically is enabled, you have to turn all of this will improve your battery life, not to heat much like this, and it will overall increase your battery performance also, and it will give much time. And then you have to just press back, click on Play Store updates. You have to turn off that also. Let's turn off the backup data, backups also. Just click on additional settings, scroll down, you will see account and scenic. Then if it is enabled, you have to turn off this will conserve data and battery usage, but you will need to sync each account manually. You have to turn off this also. Then press back. Let's click on the apps, and you will see manage apps. You have to click on Android here, and here it is Android accessibility suite. You have to clear cache all this, and then Android auto, clear cache this, press back. You have to click on Google here, then scroll down, you will see Google Play services. You have to clear cache this also, then simply press back. And let's talk about the last point, that is battery. Let's click on this. Here it is battery protection. You can see in this, you will see the battery health, your temperature of the smartphone, that is normal right now. If it is not, something is there to be happen. You have to just take something, move to slow down your temperature of your smartphone. You can also do smart charging to extend battery lifespan. The system will learn how you charge your device and stop charging when device level reaches 80% in applicable situation. Then here are additional features also, like 5G battery saver night mode. This will overall increase your health of your battery and less power consuming in certain scenarios. And after doing that, some important points are these, like never do gaming or any other activity like camera, any other like playing games while charging the phone. It will directly heat your smartphone, uh, and this will be a big mistake for that. So don't play games in while charging. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.